This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, so this is one scenario. So what is the scenario? So currently you are seeing the one Excel table, Excel sheet, like a currently Excel has a multiple sheets. So current sheet is a hospital is a one sheet name. So this hospital sheet name has a 4 columns. Okay, doctor, hospital name, and location, which location that hospital is, and lock number. Okay, so if you see the remaining sheets is a act beta hyphen 55. So okay, so this has only the headers only. Okay, so what is the use case here? The concept requirement is, so you have a lock numbers. Okay, lock numbers is there. Okay, so the lock numbers, you have to filter the lock numbers. So just create a one robot. So that robot has to, here you don't know how many lock numbers, what are the lock numbers will come. And so if you see the 34, so this record should go to the 34, ends with the 34. The sheet number is a ends with the 34. Okay, so the hyphen is a common. If you observe, hyphen 55 hyphen 34 hyphen 45. So all the 34 records, suppose for example I'm taking the 34, so these all records should go to here. Okay, and if you filter by using the another 55 45, okay, so all the 45 records will go to the 45 session. Okay, so that is a thing. So, and also here the concept is, so you don't know how many lock numbers will come, you don't know how many sheets are there. Okay, but the key concept here is, the lock number, the sheets which are ends with the key number, ends with the lock number. Okay, these records for that lock number will should go to that particular sheet. Okay, so that is a scenario. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm just clearing the all the things. Nothing is there. Okay, okay, so what we will do first, let's go to the uipath studio. So you understand, right? So getting the values, first, how we do is scenario. um, First we will take the one copy. So first, better read range, create a one dt. Okay, hospital dt. The next one is a get all sheets and loop all sheet names, and if condition, search for the if sheet name ends contains hyphen. Okay, if it contains, split it by using the hyphen, by using the minus. Then you will get the index of 1, you will get the number. Okay, now use the filter data table filter option, filter data table, and use the take this one, this data table hospital dt, and create a one more dt. So based on the this filter, so there's a lock number equal to the splitted concept. It is a 45 or 45. Okay, so anyway you are in the loop of the sheet numbers, right? Once you get the filter, so you will fill that details, so by using the append range like that. Okay, okay, fine. Now I'm saving, so nothing is there. Okay, so let's go to the UiPath studio. Let's take a Excel application scope, and I'm browsing the Excel. You can make these things and all variables so later if you require. Hospital, and what is the first one? Read range. Read range. Just drag the read range. And what is a sheet name? That is a hospital. That is a master sheet. Master sheet is a hospital. Okay, so empty, I'm giving empty because we need to retrieve all the values. So create the variable underscore dt, hospital dt. So only d came. Okay, It has a all the hospital data. Okay, fine. Now, so what is the next one? So get sheets. Get sheet selected range. There is any sheets is there. Get workbook sheets. Okay, get workbook sheets. Retrieve list of all sheet names. Okay, there's a just drag and drop the get all workbook sheets. So and specify the list of that will output as a all sheets. Okay, so it will give the list of strings. So what you have to do, so you have to loop each and every using the for each row activity, for each activity, normal for each activity. You have to loop this output, so the all sheets, so each and every. So anyway, this output is a list of strings. So what you do, you just change the type of the for each to strings. Okay, so what is that? All sheets and each sheet. So it will give the loop each sheet in Excel. So it will loop each and every sheet here. Hospital, this one, this one, this one, everything it will loop. Okay, everything. So next one is what is the next topic? If sheet contains the hyphen. So just go to that, type the if condition. If the drag the if condition and sheet dot contains hyphen. If it is contains hyphen, that means so we have to split. So how can we split? Just use the assign operator, and assign operator I am splitting by using the sheet dot split of what is that hyphen dot to char array string dot string split option dot remove duplicate, remove empty entries. Okay, so this will split by using the hyphen minus, so it will split based on that and it will store into the array of strings. Okay, sheet split, that sheet split is a should be a array of strings. Okay, understand? So see, for example, if I take this one, so this, so anyway, we filtered this one. Okay, there is, it is out of that loop actually. So okay, because it does not have a hyphen. So these three are in the loop if condition. So for example, if I take this one, so this is a name. So this will go into the zeroth column, and this will come is a one. Okay, first location index basically. So what we need this one, not this one. Okay, so we don't bother about this one, so only this one, that means index as one. Okay, fine, let index of this sheet split of one. Okay, now use the filter data table. Okay, filter data table, just drag the filter data table and filter wizard, take the input like a hospital DT, that is the input, and final DT. Okay, so final DT is output. We just created the new output. So what is the condition? The column name lock number, that is the hospital. So hospital lock number in the double quotes equal to, where is the sheet, our number in the sheet split, right? Sheet split of one dot rem dot toString. Okay, so this will give, so if these two is equal, then the final sheet will fill. Okay, final dt, that is the output, right? Final dt is a fill. So what is the next step? So anyway, we are in the sheets names only. Okay, so what we use, append range. Okay, so append range is an activity, just append range. So which sheet you want to append? the sheet, right? We have a sheet name in the sheet variable, that sheet. So what output you have to append? That is the output which is coming from the filtered data table. That is the finality, finality, okay, finality. Okay, it will append the data basically. That's it. So after that, anything? Yeah. Let me run. So currently we have a sheet. These sheets are empty. Seems it is nothing. It went. Nothing it do, because why it is not doing anything? Might be the condition is not true, right? Condition is not true. So how can we troubleshoot? So what we will do? So we will just display the one message box like a or a right line here. Okay, here right line here. So what is the right line? Sheet splitter of one and plus sheet name. And what is the thing we have to do? So might be it is converted into the integer. So what we will do? Convert dot to in 32. 32. We'll try this one. Converting the, okay. It is filling, right? It is filling now. So what is the issue? So this lock number, so by default it is hospital has the only numbers. That's why it is converted into the integer data type automatically. So you can't compare the integer number into the string. So even though it is a 34, so it's like a 34 equal to 34. So this is wrong, right? So what you have to do, you have to convert dot to int 32. So this will become a normal 32 only. So like that. So that's why it is filling the proper data. Understand? This is a convert dot to int 32. Okay. So for example, if I take a, and again I am just removing. So the same project without any changes. So I'm just removing and create another sheet called from 31. Okay, there is no 31. So let's prepare the 31 records. Raju, NHP, um, Bangalore, 31. Okay, Guru, UIPS, and Chennai, 31. Okay, so nothing. So we added the new record. That's it. New sheet, not new records and new sheet. Okay, same sheets, no data is there, and let us run the same project. So this is a dynamic. I want to show this is a dynamic. So now it is filling the one by one. See, so but the thing is here, so here we don't have a headers. That's it. So you can put the headers because this is already headers are there. So you can put the headers. Understand? So you just put the headers here like that. So like that. This is a one scenario. So reading the, so in this scenario, in this use case, what we learned, so how to read the sheet names and how to filter the sheet names. So working with the sheet names and fill the sheet values based on the filtered data from the, see, is filling. Understand? So this is filling. These three records coming here. This any number of records it may come. That is a today's scenario. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. So please subscribe. So if you not yet subscribe, if you Please share the videos, so share to your friends and well wishers, so they may know about this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.